This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Ronda Day. New construction. 2 bedrooms plus office/den, 2 baths, with laundry room at Kapaa, Kawaihau, Kauai. Great CPR location, a few minutes drive from and to Hoku Foods Natural Market, the newly renovated Kauai Village Shopping Center, with Safeway, ABC stores, Ross Dress for Less, Starbucks, and the Whaling Mural Wall, and Kealia Beach Park. Close to Kapaa High School. 2-car carport and 400 square feet. Patio. For more information, review the details below or contact Ronda Day at 808-892-0888.